Thinking about buying a home? Don't start until you hear this. Hi, I am Meghedi with Fitzpatrick Team at REMAX Results. If you're thinking about buying a home, whether you're a first-time home buyer, relocating, upsizing, or downsizing, one of the most important decisions you can make is having the right representation. As a buyer, you deserve someone who's truly in your corner, guiding you, protecting your interests, and helping you make confident decisions every step of the way. And that's exactly where I come in. When we work together, we start with one-on-one consultation where I take the time to understand your goals, your timeline, your must-haves, your deal breakers, so we can build a plan that's tailored to you. For most buyers, financing is a key part of the process. I will help connect you with a trusted local lender to get you pre-approved, so you understand your budget and are ready to act quickly when the right home comes along. From there, I will set you up with a personalized automated search via multiple listing service, so you're seeing homes in real time. This is the same platform agents use. As we tour homes, I'm not just opening doors, I'm helping you look beyond the surface. We will walk through the pros, the cons, and anything that could impact you down the line, so you can make informed decisions with confidence. When it is time to make an offer, I will guide you through the strategy, analyzing the market, understanding the seller's position, and negotiating to protect your best interest. Once you're under contract, I will coordinate everything from inspections to closing and stay in close communication with your lender and real estate attorney to keep everything moving smoothly. Throughout the entire process, communication is key. Whether you prefer text, calls, or emails, I will make sure you always know what's next. If you're thinking about buying or just want to explore your options, I would love to connect. I am Meghedi with Fitzpatrick Team and REMAX Results, and I would be honored to help you find a place you will truly love.